YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to Blake Went Finance, and today we're reacting to Mafia Takes Over Florida Apartments. Man, I'm curious to see what this is about by Ben Molly. You already know, a big fan of him, but yeah, let's get into this.
Today is the day, baby, the day that we get to take over our newest asset, 76 units. We bought this place on auction.
Oh, I didn't realize they bought it.
Cheap, paid $2.3 million, baby. So we're gonna fly out there today on our plane.
Maybe I watched
On our
this. I don't
plane,
know.
no. You know,
I don't remember
that's why I
them
like
buying
going with
this,
your dad, because your dad don't put up with this shit.
Listen.
That is not our plane. It's got propellers on it.
Vince, did you bring your briefcase?
Got my briefcase. You got your briefcase?
Got my briefcase. The hell was that? You heard that?
Shit's starting to get a little bouncy. I can't see shit.
Yeah.
Oh, look, we above the clouds. You ain't got to worry about it raining if you above the clouds. Can you grab that? Damn, it's cold out here.
Vincent,
Fucking
it's
freezing.
too fucking cold. I'm going inside. Grab all that stuff.
Where's Ben?
Out here. Fuck, it's cold. Look at the security gate. This is the airport security right here. Oh shit, Paulie looks like he's ready to go. How do you like your new town, Paulie?
No comment.
No comment. Where's Ben?
First thing we're gonna do here.
Damn, he does look.
Take-
Yeah, I gotta say, he looks a lot better from the videos from a couple years ago.
That sign down. We don't own it yet. Somebody call Tom Nash and see if we own this place. The process is when you buy a building, okay, there's a wire. There's actually money that has to go from one bank account to another bank account. Our money is sitting in an escrow account right now, which means that the title company is holding our money. Once everybody says that all the documents are okay and everything's good and all the numbers are good, then they release that money from escrow to the seller. Once the seller has that money in their hand, the building is ours. So wires are going out. We're already good. Closing statements approved. Everything's good?
Yes.
Sounds good. Then we'll take over.
Okay.
Thanks, Tom.
You got it, guys. Go get them.
All right.
Damn, so it's theirs.
What's going on, man? This is my twin. Look at us. See that? Look, we look good. We look like this Ben Jr. Jr. My lost
Ben
brother.
Jr.
All right. Ken's taking over this place, man. We appreciate it. Thank you for staying on. I really do. My main concern is the tenants today, to making sure that everybody in here has everything they need because we own it today. So now the liability is on us. So we need to make sure that everybody's got everything they need. There's no roof leaks or anything like that. It's all good. Yeah. Okay. Who pays for the electricity?
It's to the building.
I know.
There's only 1 meter
For the whole building. Every single tenant
Yes.
is on 1 meter,
Yes.
and that runs $7 grand a month.
Yes.
It's not a bad deal,
I'll
actually.
change all
The
that.
first
It's
thing
a
I'm gonna
lot
do,
of
because
money. I
I'm a
don't care
geek
if
and
they
I
say
like
good or bad
security and
deal.
I don't trust anybody, first thing I'm gonna do is wipe the computer. After that, we're gonna put our system in place. We're
Damn,
gonna
it's
print out
crazy.
a rent
They
roll.
bought a
and we're gonna
rolling
start doing a
business.
file audit. Because with this building, it's been a little hairy. This building's tax credit. That means it has to have a real tax credit approved lease. Okay, that's not here right now. Every file in here is out of compliance. On top of that, we got to change over every single utility: water, sewer, garbage, electricity, phones,
Damn.
internet, gas, lift station, everything.
Oh, this is what I'm looking
Oh,
for.
Lord.
Nice. So we're here with our
What is
contractor. Still needs to be trashed out, you know? I would probably put new for Mike on here. This thing is yellow, staining. I would swap the pans out. This thing is 50 bucks. The cabinets look good. Soft close? Not soft close. If a fridge looks like this and we don't have extra parts like this handle to swap out with, and they got dents like this, and they got old stickers on it, replace it, swap it out, take it to the shop, break it down, take the good stuff off of it, the crisper drawers. This, I wouldn't keep this fridge. I mean, look at this. Look how fucked up this is. Look at that bottom part. You might be able to keep these crisper drawers, you know, as extra parts for other fridges. These things you can keep. Ooh.
Damn, they're trying to make it look real nice.
You want to drink that, man? The fridge ain't got no bugs in it. Expired? No, it's not expired. You want some?
No way he's gonna drink that.
I'll pass on that one. You can see we have a little bit of a roach problem. That's easy. We're gonna bomb these units. Water's good. Sounds like the motor's running, but nothing's spinning. Carpet's gotta go. This is a horrible carpet. And who the hell did this carpet to that carpet is crazy. The hell is this?
Oh, that's a heater.
That's a heat lamp. What the hell is burning my neck? That's a damn chicken cooker.
Holy crap! Is
I
that
feel like
bright?
a KFC fucking
Oh.
chicken. You're gonna have to get some really good cleaners here. Deep cleaning, and we'll get you whatever solution you need. I don't know, should I have done that? Police are gonna show up. Little Ben's gonna be pissed. Cleaned, paint around it, change this faucet, put a new GFI on there. Take this ugly ass gold ring off and put a little modern one on there. Medicine cabinet, these things gotta go, bro. No one has these anymore.
Damn, I
don't
got
like
one of
it. It feels
those.
like a hospital. It feels depressing. I can move
I got
this.
I got
Move
medicine
this
cabinet.
to this wall.
That's like a
and put
side mirror.
Basic
though, so-
mirror up. Holy shit. Look at this. This is a master closet. This
Yeah, it
is
is a
bigger than
nice
my closet
closet.
at home. Dang, look, sprinklers, they're good. They're not painted. I'm gonna take a picture of every sprinkler just to let you know. Because I can't prove it if it was your guys or the previous guys. Someone painted everybody always paints the damn sprinkler heads. But these look like they're in good shape, so let's keep it that way. So we're gonna have to come here day one and power wash everything just to give it a good feel. Anything hanging out like this gotta be tucked away. Every year we're gonna have a tax credit inspection. Someone's gonna come here and walk just like we're doing now and see all this shit, and that's why they've been
Who's
getting
this
dinged
other
on
guy?
everything. They won't allow us to buy any more of these properties if we start failing inspections. Even though we took them over in a horrible condition, it's on us now. From today on, it's all us. If they show up tomorrow, we're screwed. This is a badass unit. But you're gonna have this issue because these are seniors, so they're fucking hanging up every picture of their grandkids. We're gonna have to replace those, bro. That's like roach shit. That's roach shit on there. And
look at
according to the tax credit code, we have to have these in every single one of them. Stuff. And I'm gonna be on this contractor's ass. He thinks I'm playing. I'm about to be on his ass as soon as we leave this place. Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
It's crazy how many
We got
levels
one
there
employee
are to this.
onboarded, we got the computer reset, printing out reports and started printing out applications. That so that new people walking in, we got a tenant already that wants to move in. So we got to get her application processed. We got to get credit checks set up. We got to get the leases set up. We got to get a lot of stuff set up right now. And so we're just knocking it out one by one.
What's the best way to learn this stuff?
To do it.
I was
Best way to
gonna
learn is
say,
to do.
it's-
So I learned by doing. I sat with my dad and did
Or
it.
consult with
Ever
Ben.
since we were younger, we
$400
processed
for
applications.
15
We
minutes.
learned about leases. We learned
Hey,
how to
but
do
maybe it's worth
evictions.
it,
We
to be
just
honest.
did it.
So if somebody wants to learn, they have to just.
No, I mean, if somebody wants to learn, there's schools that you can go to. I mean, there's procedures, there's management companies. I mean, I guess there's really no way to like do it on your own. I mean, yeah, you can watch our videos, consult with Ben, we'll teach you how to do it. Other than that, you got to get out there and just get around the people that are doing it. That's how I learn. I mean, I take over apartment complexes and I see, ooh, I really like the way they do this. So then I do it, and so now when I take over another apartment complex, I say, oh, I don't like the way they do this. We're going to do it this way. And so we steal little things from here and there that we find and we do it.
Before we continue to take over this property, let me tell you about another opportunity. It's playoff time,
We're
baby.
gonna skip off
and
this
it's
one.
Right away, you're gonna attract bugs, you're gonna attract rats, growing mold and
ooh,
mildew and this
smoky.
and that. And he's over there vacuuming the lobby. If there's a trash out at your unit, that's the first thing you need to get done. It's the easiest thing. How long do you think this unit has sat here? It doesn't stink yet. There's already a garbage bag here. I have gloves in the car. The cabinet's backwards. The fridge is too big. Who put a big ass fridge in here? Oh my God. I'm not eating shit. I took the Celsius. You got me there. It's good. My stomach don't hurt yet. But I ain't taking shit out of here. Look, bugs. The other fridge didn't have bugs. Look at this. Look at that. We're full. Loaded. Because they didn't do the trash out. It would take 5 minutes to do this. I'm about to...
That was a little dramatic. Damn.
This is easy. Power wash. Look at the brick, looks so fucking good. This is a brand new hot water heater. This shit looks nice. But this shit needs to be cleaned out. Clean. There should be nothing in here. It's a fire hazard to have anything in here.
Damn, I know that.
Something's leaking. That's gonna be a pain because we're gonna have to shut the water off for a little bit. If you can see sunlight in there, it's not good. This thing is getting rained on every day. The hell is that? Polly's dog? Pets allowed, yeah. with a pet fee. Look at this, a little pathway to the bench.
Got a pet, they gotta
tax
pay.
collector's office. You need to pay your taxes? Walk your ass across the street. You need to pay your water bill? Walk your ass across the street. Nice drainage. This tells you that the drainage is good right here. I better not stand on the main road. They're gonna think my black ass is doing something I'm not supposed to be doing. The seniors can come with their walkers,
That was crazy comment.
scooters. I mean, this is an amenity for the damn property. It's right here. And it's not ours, and we don't have to maintain it. Look at the traffic. I'm gonna put a $2.99 or $99 move-in special right there with Paulie's phone number. And the problem is, you just saw the sign on the building, but you can't see it from the road. Cut a straight hole through this thing. We might be able to cut all these trees down and have a little tree farm back here. What the hell is that? Is that fucking cotton? Oh, those are those little wick things. Damn, is Paulie over there smoking?
So let me tell you something. When you come back here, you won't even recognize this place. I am gonna spend Daddy's money like there's no tomorrow. You won't even recognize this place.
Good.
Listen, a year goes by quick, but when you're in prison, it doesn't go by quick.
You're living the life. All the stuff you gave me, it's gonna be a vacation for you.
Dude, I had 8 shopping centers. You're down to 3. What are you talking about?
Yeah, 3 big ass. I'm sorry, I'm yelling. 3 big ones.
All that except for that ladder is
Can't
garbage.
yell at the old people home, man.
Garbage, garbage, garbage. Hey, that was my briefcase.
No, it's got coffee in it.
That was my
It had
briefcase.
coffee in it. Who put coffee in it?
That was my coffee from this morning.
You got coffee all over
I
it.
can keep coffee in that briefcase.
I'll give you my briefcase. Unbelievable.
Damn, they out doing this themselves. What they zooming
It's
into
already
that?
full.
Ooh.
Look at this. Pastor Vincent, all rise. Why the pastor gotta have a new car? And why the pastor gotta have a nice house? I said, don't ask, don't ask.
Sold.
All right, so we got our mechanic on the phone. He says he already knows someone who wants this. 2009 Escalade, big boy engine, spotless. You ain't never seen a 2009 with 61,000 miles on it. Let's join the auction and see what happens. Here's our truck, $2 grand, Pat. I'm bidding. We're at 2450. Texas is fucking us up right now. 3,300. Don't fucking bid no more, you bastard. Motherfucker. 3,800.
Is it damaged?
4,450. We're winning.
What's wrong
Hold
with
on.
it?
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my God. 4,500, bro. One more. Come on. Come on.
What is he bidding on?
Come on. Oh, 4,600, bro. They keep bidding. Sold. Not to us.
It's only
Please
5K
reach
for
into your pockets
Escalade?
and grab anything you got and give it into the basket. The Lord will bless you today.
It's a new requirement by HUD. Just like the hotels, now even apartments have to do the human trafficking classes. Basically, it's to teach you how to be
Damn.
aware of possible human trafficking. So, I mean, somebody can come in here with a younger person and try to rent an apartment, and they're a senior and taking advantage of this younger person, maybe, and so we have to know the signs of that. And so we take training to recognize the signs of human trafficking. Or vice versa, taking advantage of an old person.
Or fall. Hand out these notices to every tenant so they know that we just took over possession of the property. And I hope Paulie's phone number's on there too.
What the heck is this? And we don't take people's, no, we don't take packages in the front.
Well, they always have.
Nope.
All right, well, put that in the letter. Dear tenants, please.
No. You need to tell your UPS guy that he needs to stop being lazy, and your FedEx guy, and tell them that they need to take it to the unit. It's cold in here. Turn the AC down in this hallway. Why is the AC so cold in this hallway? We need some pictures in these hallways.
No, please don't.
We need some pictures
No,
in
it
these
looks
hallways.
modern and nice
No,
right now.
we need pictures in the hallways.
I think it looks good
Remember
as
how
is.
nice it made Praxis look?
Yeah, because Praxis was really bad.
Look how nice that looks with
This
the
looks
picture.
nice. This
Yeah, we
looks-
need it. Look at this.
This looks like
We need a picture, like activities, like we'll do elderly activity scenes with people playing like golf, you know,
Like a black and a white one, like
yeah,
me and you, and
yeah,
then
like the fair housing
Me and
pictures
you.
that are on apartments.com. This is a welcome to new management notice, okay? It's saying we're happy that Equity has taken over. And guess what? Paul is your new manager. And if you need to get a hold of us, call us at that number and email us at that, okay? And everything's gonna stay the same. Don't worry about it. And if anything's wrong in your apartment, let Paul know. We'll take care of it, okay? Basically, we look forward to being your landlord. Oh,
I would
I
love
pray
to be
that
so
we
happy to
are
do
very
this if I
successful
bought
here,
something.
and that we can get this place under control. And
If I
pray
bought something like that,
there are no
and
leaks,
I was just putting
no
out those
backups,
things.
and we pray for cold AC and hot heat.
You better throw him a Christmas party on Monday.
That's on Paulie. I didn't know that we bought a building. We got to throw a Christmas party the next day. My God. I want to pack up my new briefcase though, real quick. This one works better. It's better. Today went actually really good. We got everybody enrolled. Vincent walked all the
Why you
vacant
live
units.
here?
He made a list of inventory. It helps when you have
You live
multiple
there?
people doing multiple things. I was working on setting up systems. Paulie was working on setting up vendor accounts. And we had somebody at the office setting up utilities. And because we all split all those jobs up, we pretty much accomplished taking over this whole building in one day.
That's a big
You want to
building,
learn how to
too.
make some money in real estate?
All right, boys. Well, I think that's it. That was interesting video, very entertaining. Shout out Ben Mala for making it, and go ahead, like, and subscribe. Blake signing out. Peace.